Hey, hello, good family. Hope you all are doing good. All of us also doing okay over here. Well, it's time to go to Tina's family, and today I'm a little bit late. Means as usual, as you know that last few days I was going very early in the morning, but today I just deliberately did late because I want to know and to see that whether all the dogs are there or not. Means Roberts, Roy and Rock, and Tina. Because last few days I didn't see Tina, and that's why I'm very much worried. Let's see. Well, before going, I just will turn on the lights over there. Oh my god, it's so dark inside actually. If I open up the gate means it will be okay. Yeah, it's early morning over here, but not dark. Okay, so let's move. Oh, look at that. They've decorated so nicely the place, the road actually. Because of this festival, as I said you, Ganesh Chaturthi. Well, yeah, this is the place. There are lots of temporary houses. Those are called actually mandaps for the Ganesh Chaturthi. Well, let's go. Well, this is the ambulance area. Let's see that side. There is no one. There is one more mandap, means the for the Ganesh Chaturthi. Yeah, this is one more mandap for Ganesh Chaturthi, but there are no dogs over here. I don't know where they have gone. I can see no dogs over here. There used to be lots of dogs. Well, I'll cross the road after a while. And let's see what is the condition of Tina's family. And sorry. Oh my god, look at the condition over here. What they have done, they have closed that Well, they have closed this place, and I think they have killed the puppies also, because the puppies used to be under the staircase over there, and they have messed up each and everything. Look how they have done this. I used to keep food over here, as you know, but they have messed up the place. Okay, this is Ryan. Where are the rest of the dogs? Where they have gone? Okay, there's a Muslim guy actually, and he is throwing stones to all the dogs. That's why all of them have gone somewhere else. Okay, look what they have done over here. Means they have killed the puppies. As you can see, there is no shouting, or the puppies are not crying over here. Okay, I will leave some food over here so that they can eat. And I don't know where is that person. Okay, Tom is here. Come on, Tom, come on. Tom is eating. I have left food over there also. Okay, the puppies are not there. As you know, like day before yesterday when I came over here, I saw the puppies were crying. But today the puppies are not over here. They are not crying, even they are not doing anything. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. Okay, I'm leaving the place. Well, the person has come over there, so let's leave the place. Oh, there's a person over there, look at him. Okay, I'm just leaving the place because the person is over there and he may create problems for me, a lot of problems. And before getting a lot of problems, I need to move on. Actually, all of them were over there, but you know what happened? One of the guys, he came and he started throwing stones to all of the dogs, and all of them actually went away. I cannot be over here. Okay, I'm just crossing the road and I'll be going to my home. So let's go. Oh my god, these are the puppies. Hello. What happened? I think these are the puppies of Julie. Where is she? This is Julie. Look at her. Hello. Yeah, this is Julie, and she has brought the puppies over here, I think. He's trying to get up. Okay, I'll leave some food over here maybe. This is actually the hospital area. Look at him. 1, 2, 3. Okay, he's trying to get up, but he's not able to. Okay, I'll leave some food over here maybe. Hello. Oh my god, he's trying to get up. Okay, get up. Okay, 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 okay. Ah. Julie's happy now. Look at her. Okay, I went to Tina's family, but that side the dogs are not there. Means the puppies and yeah, all of them. I thought Julie as well as the puppies they are lost, but no, they are over here in this hospital area. So yeah, I'm right now inside the hospital area. Okay, I'll leave some food over here. Come on, come, Julie. I'm leaving some food for Julie over here. I do not know whether the authority they will shout on me or not, but yeah, I'm leaving some food. Okay, come. I'll go soon. Otherwise, the people may say me something. Julie has gone there and she's eating, I think. Oh, she's eating. That's good. Thank God. And there are 3 puppies over here, as you can see. But how Julie brought them over here, I do not know. Means that is very surprising, you know. It's a long way. Long way means, yeah. They are also going. Look at them. Oh. One of the puppies is sitting on the pedigree. He's eating. All of them are trying to eat. They're eating actually. Look at that. I'll zoom it. Okay, look at that. They're also eating pedigree. Oh my god, this is so interesting. Both of them, means all of them. Julie as well as both of the puppies. One of them went that side. I don't know what he's looking for. But the puppy is eating pedigree. Oh my goodness. And there's one more. You know, this is rainwater and all the water is falling down. As you know, it's raining over here. And look, the puppy is feeling so cold. He's actually shaking his body. He's shivering. Literally, he's shivering. Oh my god. Look at that. Okay, I'll put some more food for Julie and all of them. Hey, he's eating. Look at that. He's eating pedigree. Hey, honey. My goodness, I'm so shocked. Okay, you guys eat, okay? I'm not harmful. Okay, I'm just leaving. I have left a lot of food. That is enough for them, I guess. Oh, I feel so sad for them. They need a home, you know. And they need a good bed or a blanket or good foods like milk or maybe chicken. Poor puppies. I feel sad for them. Hello. Okay, I'm moving because the authority they may you know, shout on me, or they may say that I should not come over here. Look, this is the area actually. This is hospital, government hospital. And okay, I'm just going. Bye bye, take care. I'll be visiting you tomorrow. Julie, take care of them.